Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I believe that everything is alright with you. So this is my reaction video to the video of Commander Holy Ghost, and I have few other things to add to it. Please give me your ear. I will have something to say because I have noticed that most of us that belong to party A or party B, you expect me to say something that will suit your narrative. You expect me to every time just to comment on you in favor of what you want. Let me make it clear, I'm not here to represent chief of staff, neither I'm here to represent finance minister Azona Barawas group. I am neutral, and what I mean by neutral is that I will condemn anything evil whenever I see it. It doesn't matter which party it comes from. That is what I do. And don't expect me to always, to say something that you want. You may not like everything that I will say here. All right? But if you love truth, you will like the channel. You will be, in fact, you will love everything that is going on here. Now, let me say this. I got a comment from some of you, not many people, just few people. I don't want to mention names, but you know yourself. One woman like that, you know yourself. You said that money have exchanged, that a kind of I have someone have buy me off, that paid me something like that. You are very very funny. I am not in contact with anybody, and I am here to debunk anything that I see that is evil. Now, going to the video of Holy Ghost. Many of you have watched that. I can see jubilation. People are celebrating. Yeah, he have done it. Good. What he said is his own opinion. But don't forget that we need to hear from the other side, of course. Don't judge case with one person. Just make sure that you balance it. That does not mean that I'm not saying that what he said is lie or that is truth. But if what he said is true, if actually COS and Butuzo, had discussion, and that's what Holy Ghost said is what happened. That is, if that is what happened actually, then Chief of Staff is at fault. Because this is my own opinion, okay? This is my own opinion. I believe that whatever you are doing, you must go in line with men on the ground. What it means is because they are the key of the government so far. Without them, no matter how many departments you create, is useless. That is why I always said I want that we are commenting from outside. We are not in. We don't hear some of you. We don't know what some of you know until it gets to us. Then we cannot make sense out of it. But whether you like it or not, we will keep on talking, saying things that is in public domain. Until if you have intel, then we can use that to make video like I'm making now. So now we have this new information, which is something that we don't know before. That COS and Butuzo, he is general overall commander, okay? That Butuzo told you this and that, you don't touch it. And you refuse to do that. If that is true, you are wrong. In my own judgment, you are wrong. You should listen to Butuzo. You should work with Butuzo, because without them, government is not going to function properly. When you can have rights over them is when everything is being protected, and you can protect your boundary and your territory. That is the only time that the president or prime minister, vice prime minister can issue order that they have to obey, unless if they want to overthrow, like military regime. That one is different. But as at the moment, you cannot ignore the advice of the overall commander. It is wrong. But we are yet to hear from her own side of the story, because the person that has told us this story, I don't trust him. I'm not saying he's a sabo, but I don't trust his recent activities. I don't. Why? Because it is obvious that he's siding Sani Akbarawa. That is now bringing tribal sentiment in the whole thing. Sani started by insulting people. Now he have metaphors from that to tribal issue. I read some of the, when you want to show your grievances, you need to apply your wisdom. If you don't, your utterances sometimes, people may not, pick the point. Or you may, out of anger of one person, attack the entire race. That is what Sonny has been doing, lately. And like I said in my previous video, I hold him in a high esteem. But at the moment, Sonny is a gunner. He's just one step to become Nsema. Just one step. Only just tiny thing, just one element like that is still holding him to become fully like Nsema of today, that sees Igbo people as parasite, the wicked, evil, bad, everything evil. You can link it to that is the mindset of Sani Akbarawa at the moment. Somehow, I can sense that from Commander Holy Ghost as well. Why do I say that I don't trust him? There's another video that I posted here on this channel before his own video. Another army from Biafran Liberation Army, I believe he's a commander, but I don't know his rank. But he is a Biafran Liberation Army. Made a video, and in that video, he was begging Sani Akbarawa, Chiamaka Jere, and rest of them openly to stop attacking Orabeze. Serious. If what Holy Ghost said, what he said, is what happened, do you think that army will come out and say what he said, advising Sani Akbarawa and his camp to stop attacking the woman? That she is a woman for crying out loud, which I have also highlighted here. But our people, some of us are so myopic. You want to follow somebody. I'm not against you to follow anybody. You want to follow somebody. It is good to follow anybody. Make your choice. I'm not against it at all. But at least, don't forget your brain. Even now, after listening to that commander, before the video of Holy Ghost, somebody came here on just down to the comment section of the video here on my channel, and he was telling me that that guy is that army is not an Biafran Liberation Army. Why? Because he says something that he don't like. Just like me now, maybe because I don't like what Holy Ghost said about how he publicly decided to side one group, which the reason is best known to him, because they know a lot that we don't know. That is why I always highlight on that what we are saying here is based on what you are seeing in the public, not because of any intel that you have researched and find out and verify everything, and we are here to judge the case. No. We can be dynamic in our statement because we are yet to have access to the whole information. Some of them know the reason why they're doing what they're doing, but they choose to hide it because for their personal interest. For example, when the whole thing started, the problem that Sani Akbarawa and his hype men and group decided, what they said is fundraising. That the sin of COS is stopping fundraising. Why must she stop fundraising? That fundraising is the DNA of the struggle. That is the blood group of the struggle. That is the heart and kidney of the struggle. Nobody disputed that. So people were like, okay, if what you're saying, yes, fund is good, but the reason from COS is valid. The same people that are going to fund this money they're talking about are the same people that just spend money, transport themselves from their different location to Finland. And some people are yet to arrive in that destination. Coupled with the finance minister refusing to give the financial update of the account that he had been managing. He refused to give that. Every reasonable human being will think twice. As long as you are the one pilot the organization, you have to do, you must do what COS did by making sure that that account will not be functioning anymore. But this commander that is attacking COS now did not say something. He refused to condemn the idea of Minister of Finance refusing to give financial update to COS and cabinet. To him, he don't care. All he wants is money. That the money that is paying the account is coming to them. That every other money that you guys are receiving, they don't know about it. Which is another bombshell. Because if you tell us that Minister of Information is a good guy, everything they're doing is okay, fine. You are the one, you are the recipient, not me. So you are the one telling us who gives you what you need and when you need it and how you need it. Then why don't, since you know that this government, that COS is the one in the help of affair, if you really believe that there's a government at all, what stops you from addressing that issue, that this minister refused to give financial update? It should be a call. It should be. It should be a burden to you. Like, you need to feel the concern. Like, why must he refuse that? But he just wave it away and start promoting the finance minister, telling everybody that he's a very good guy, he's working fine. If not, he wouldn't have said that keep on using the account. I'm not against any account too. But my own is that as long as you guys have claimed that you are receiving money from him, can you tell him to give government up, unless you guys don't support any government? Because without the government, there's nothing like declaration. The way that some of you are behaving is as if the government of Biafra is powerless. So if it is powerless, on whose authority are you declaring the Biafra? Because I thought that the government people they are the ones. So he don't want to talk about it. There's many. If I'm to deep more on this thing now, this video will be too long. So I will try my best to summarize, just to touch few of them, and we'll move forward. If you think that what he said is the ultimate, right? That is his right. Like I said initially, if what he said is the way it happened, then COS need to examine some of the things, that some of his decision so far, because he made mention of something again before I forget it, because he talked about Sussex, that he is the one that they trust, and other people, not only him, but they know themselves, they know how they trade, how they everything about them. We know what that means. Now, that area, I support him on that. CAS need to consider that very, very important, because this is their people's life. The men on ground are not spirits, they are human beings. If they don't trust anybody, don't bring that person to them. Unless you have decided to build your own army. But as long as you want to work with the government, you must, the way you are telling other people to respect government decision, you yourself need to respect government as well, by making sure that everything goes in line with what government is meant for. The military, the accountability, everything. If at all you guys are serious about what you are doing. But I will tell you my own observation in the whole thing. But I'm just saying this based on what is going on now. We need to know more things about it. Otherwise, some people may be misled. And if you think that sacking Success and other people that are men on ground demand that they should not be removed, you need to go back, revisit that decision, because you cannot put their life in danger because of the government structure. Then he said something again. He accused you because I went the title of the video. Some people were not happy with me. They said, "Well, that why more? Why would I say that? Where did he attack CS?" Some of you will watch video with sentiment, and I'm gonna mention your name, Chineye MC. You are the one that said that questioned me on that video. You said, "Why must where did he attack CS?" When he said that COS, he literally called CS agent of Nigeria by saying that he's building another counter army under his own army, that he's calling men on ground, telling them that he's gonna make them general, make them leader. That is building your own different army from the army on ground. And if you do that, COS, that is a taboo. Why? You will create chaos. They will first of all fight themselves first before facing enemy. And that is what you should understand. Very, 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 very dangerous. People that are not like, people that hate PM so much are waiting. They are waiting to use their own army, not army, their own gangster, army for what? Use their own gangster to commit crime and target on Biafran army. That's what they have been doing. They are going to intensify that, knowing fully that both of you we are not having any fight inside the indoor fight. Having issue internally. This is not to say that this is the best way to go, because the commander, Holy Ghost, is making a very, very, very big mistake. You see all those some of things that he chose to ignore. I see how he downplayed the appearance of Gaddafi on the video. He had downplayed it, intentionally downplayed it. That is why I said I don't trust him. No, I don't trust you. I don't trust you because it is very clear that there's other thing going on behind the scene. And then single you out to use you now to do the needful. They started by fundraising, and that one did not trend. It did not. The market did not sell very well. They moved from that to charter. It did not sell very well. Charter had been debunked. Now they have actually picked you to do that. Some people say they bought you over. You may not accept. See, buying somebody does not mean that you pay. They must not go through transaction. People can buy you emotionally, by use emotional blackmail to win your soul, win your heart. Then you come out and start acting ignorantly, thinking that you are doing the needful. Because and remember what you are doing is a video. You are saying all those things as if you are talking to kids. We can also read meaning to what you are saying. Because for you to downplay the appearance of Gaddafi, like I keep on saying, I have no issue with Gaddafi. But for you to see it as something that is normal, that it doesn't mean anything, right? That means the insubordination that you guys are showcasing now has been there, and you guys are waiting to when to bring it out. I can tell you this my feeling. Had Mass Namarikano come out, maybe let's assume that but maybe before PM disappeared, let's assume that they have released Mass Namarikano before now. Whether PM is here or not, you guys would have turned against PM without waiting for PM and Mass Namarikano to discuss. You guys are using PM as a kind of pastime. That's what I can believe. What I can conclude from what you guys are doing now, you are using him as pastime, just a kind of temporal, which is good. I have no issue with Master Managano. I don't hate him, but you should not forget the effort of PM, because the level of negligences, looking down on PM and everything that concerns him, this point in time is shocking. Why do I say so? Gaddafi was suspended by PM. Publicly he said it, don't do anything with him. And to tell you that Gaddafi did not care, he stopped appearing in anything at all until PM was suspended from social media. Then he now surfaced. And people that claim they are following PM, ministers, some may say ex-ministers, started shouting and celebrating his presence in that fundraising. Whether they celebrate or not, for him to, I said it in the previous video, for them to celebrate, to welcome him the way they welcomed him, Gaddafi has been in contact with them for ages, for a very long time. Before, he cannot just wake up and say, oh, these guys are here, let me come. No. That is what you need to understand. And it's not only Gaddafi. From this thing that they displayed, you can guarantee the chance or the chances of them having communication with DOS member is there. It is true. There's nothing you could tell me. For you to know that Holy Ghost and people like them don't actually believe in PM. In that this his video, he says something that military takeover. He mentioned, do you know what I mean? Military takeover. That if wars come to wars, they will use military takeover, meaning that the government in exile as a Bakwagi, we are now here as, you understand that kind of thing. That is their mentality. And he believed that, according to him, that some people donating money secretly to them, meaning that the money that fundraising is useless. That is why he said, whether you donate or not, you are trying to tell us that it is useless. These are things that shouldn't come out from the mouth of any soldier. It's none of your business. You should be mindful of what you are doing. The only thing that he said that I support very, very well is the issue of their communication. Like people who know their intels, everything about them, that you should not remove them to bring another person that is going to spy them. That is the only thing I expect army and commanders of Biafran Bishop. That's the complaint. They should focus on that. And if CS refuse to do that, CS is in for something else. That is my belief. And what he said that make me feel like he's not in line with, he don't care about the whole details. He just want to pick the one that will suit narrative. When he started telling, when he said that that CS is calling his junior officer, telling him, promising heaven on earth, must you come out and say that in public? You are saying that to gladden the heart of those who send you. That is a pure truth. You have made your point. You should end it there. But you see all this, no matter what you say, no matter how good it sounds, I still doubt that people that you are sending in their, speaking in their favor are in for Biafra. I still doubt it, because as long as there's no way you get Biafra with insubordination. Because you must, I'm not saying you should obey structure. What I mean by insubordination is that do not go to somebody because of what the person will gonna give you now, and after that you say to hell with you. That's what you guys are doing. If you know that CS is not getting it right, there are many ways to table this in public. You can also appear as a Butuzo, who happen to be the overall commander, can decide to, okay, I want to be in your cabinet meeting. In that cabinet meeting, he will say it the way it is. Because there are some members in the cabinet that may not know what you know. You now reveal it there. Then let's see how the whole cabinet will support that kind of thing. Anyway, let's go back to Sona Parawa. Sona Parawa, I made mention of you in previous video. For you to say those things that you said about Igbo, who sabotage this one, who sabotage this one, shows how bad and how dirty your mind is. How dirty your mind is. How dirty your mind against Igbo people. How dirty it is at the moment, because you feel like Igbo people are known for saboteurs. They are known for criminality. The same thing Nsima is doing at the moment. The only difference between you and Esema is that you have not denounced Biafra. Of course, I don't even think at the moment that you are in for Biafra. I doubt. I cannot attack your tribe because their name is not Sonia Parawa. Unlike you, that are pointing accusing finger on the people, thinking that we can't read the meaning out from what you are saying. We know where we are heading to. That tribal card is that's what they normally use you guys to do. Not only I'm not when I say you guys, I'm not talking about other people that are not Igbo, even Igbo people. You use somebody from this one. We are all see sabotage and tribalism does not know any race, and it can come from anywhere. But you, of all people, you don't cast. You cast badly, to be honest. Anyway, my people, I just want to write on this because I don't have time to, start editing video. I have a lot of things, in my hands. So thank you so much for your time, and please, I would like to hear from you. What do you think about the comment of Commander Holy Ghost? What do you think about it? We are yet to hear from CS. Before I go, because I keep on trying to remember some of the key words, some of the things that he said in that video. He actually says something again that this life. He said that Biafrans, that if you have spirit of Biafra, that Biafra will lead you. Okay, Biafra will lead you to know what is right and what is wrong and all that. These are bracataba. I know these are bracataba. But let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. I may remember other things. Maybe I will come back on this video again to react again. But I hope I will not. I'm not gonna, because I don't want to make it look like it's a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's just that people need to use their brain to understand. So please do not think that I'm here to promote one party A or party B. If you may not like this video, you may like the next one. Okay? But remember, I am here for the truth, not to side anybody. I get nothing. Nobody is telling me anything. Nobody is paying me anything. Unlike most of you that are accusing me, because I'm not angry, because I can see that you accuse other people as well. So maybe it's part of you. So that's on you. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye bye.